What's up and welcome, my cowboys and cowgirls. I hope you're ready for an amazing Halloween. And another episode of Tuesday's Tips. It's your boy, Chase. And the man, the myth, the legend, Colton Parker, aka CP!
What's going on, everybody? Thank you, Chase, for having me.
Hey man, we're glad to have you on set, dude.
Thank you.
So, tell us about today's topic.
Yeah, so today we're talking about tutoring centers and how to utilize them.
Today we're going to be talking about the LASSO Center, the Writing Center, the MLSC, and the ATRC. The LASSO Center is the hub for tutoring. When it comes to courses, they can help you from English to biology. And they cover over 400 courses.
Man, that's crazy.
It's crazy. You can visit them at their website here. To schedule an appointment with the LASSO Center, you can use the STAR system. The link for that is right here as well. So, STAR system. It's much like how you schedule an appointment with your advisor. It's super easy. Find a tutor, select your class, boom, you're there. The LASSO Center is located in the basement of Classroom Building. More specifically, 021 Classroom Building, right across from the Student Union. Pro tip, make sure whenever you make your appointment that you're not late or you're not a no-show, because what happens is you get a bursar charge. And from what we know from the last video, we don't want that bursar charge. It can mess up a lot of things.
Exactly.
The hours of the LASSO Center are Monday through Friday at 9 to 8. They are Sunday, whole day. So boom, they're right here. Let's talk about the Writing Center.
Yeah,
Take it
so
away.
the Writing Center is the main office of the Writing Center is Student Union 440. And with that, they also have several locations around campus and at other campuses of Oklahoma State, including OSU Tulsa. So here's a map showing locations as well out at Stillwater and all their contact information and their social media accounts as well.
Yeah, you're gonna want to check out that social media. They post a lot of stuff about workshops on their Twitter, their Facebook, and really just a lot of great resources in general.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes I think they have pizza.
Exactly. Yeah.
Definitely check them out.
Yeah, and it all starts with accessing them by using their website at oswritingcenter.okstate.edu right here. Pro tip, also you don't want to miss, like the LASSO Center, you don't want to miss your appointment, because if you do, the bursar will charge you as well. So you don't want that to happen, as we said.
Yeah, you don't want to be a no-show. Hey Colton, so I've got a question. How would I go about scheduling an appointment with the Writing Center?
So at the Writing Center, they actually have several tutors that they schedule. So what you do is you put your name on one of their schedules and you just tell them what you're working on. And so whether you're working on an APA research paper or you're just working on an MLA Comp 1 paper, they can help you out.
So is it as easy as a click of a button, just go to their website?
Literally a click of a button.
Sweet.
Crazy.
That is just awesome. Let's talk about the MLSC. So, the MLSC is the Mathletic Success Center, and they have an amazing staff and are headed by the wonderful Dr. Melissa Mills. She's the director. They're located in the 5th floor of the MLO Library, and their hours are Sunday, 1 to 9, Monday through Thursday, 9 to 9, and Friday, 9 to 5.
Yeah, and their website can be found right here. They also provide exam review workshops for those who want a more in-depth learning experience. Lastly, they have an interactive calendar with workshops for specific subjects on their website, so check that out. You want to check that out. Make sure you don't miss the one you want, otherwise, so that way you can receive adequate help.
Yeah, the calendar is really helpful, so check that out.
Also, don't forget, you can contact the director as well of the ATRC. And her email is right here, and you can also call the front desk, and their number is right here. So also don't forget to check out the ATRC. If you are an engineer, they provide a more specialized service for engineering as well, for courses and topics that you need to know about or you want to know about. They are located in Engineering North 110 or the basement of Parker Hall as well. And their website can be found right here.
Yes, so all you engineers, make sure you hit up that place. They're gonna help you out. They'll treat you right.
Exactly.
Boom. Well, you know, all these centers are great, but you wanna know which one's my favorite?
The Center of Solid Nation.
Oh, you know it, man. So, for any other personal questions or anything, or if you want any more pro tips from yours truly, come by, grab a cup of coffee, grab a snack.
Exactly. Or shoot us an email at sovereignnationcenter.okstate.edu and it can be found right here. If you're shy or have any other questions or just want to know about us, let us know. So our email can be found right here. And yeah, just anything, anytime.
That's so awesome. Yeah, so again, thank you guys for watching. You know, we just want to say have a safe Halloween. You know, this has been Tuesday's Tips.
Yeah.